Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all a very quick recipe which is sour milk salad. For the ingredients we need a small bowl of sour milk, a handful of fresh mint that was cleaned and washed and rinsed out, and a small piece of roughly sliced cucumber, and a small teaspoon of whole jeera and a small teaspoon of salt. And then we need a pestle to grind out our ingredients because the food processor is not going to do such a small job. I've got my pan already heated with nothing in it. It's a dry pan that I drop my jeera into it to brown. Don't make it black, just let it fry out a little bit. Now it's sort of frying. You have to be very quick with it because normally it blackens very fast. It has to be in a light brownish color. And this will make it easy to grind out. Why you grind your jeera first? Because it has to be very dry. You have to grind it out very fine into a powderish. There you are, it's very finely grind into a powder. And then we drop it back into our saucepan because this ingredient is in fact the very last ingredient. Then we are going to grind out our mint. It can be done in a food processor, but it's too little for a food processor. After grinding it will appear very little, but it doesn't matter, it's just to make the flavors. So this is not supposed to be very smooth, it's ground roughly. Okay, thereafter I'm going to add in my sour milk into a mixing dish and add in a little bit of salt and beat it, mix it up thoroughly, and then take off my mint. And my cucumber mixed in. You see the reason why we use a little mint is just to make it a flavor, not a color. And then after mixing, this is how it will look. You pour it back into your bowl that you measured. You flat it And this is, which was the first ingredients to be used for the last. We take and we spread out the jeera powder. If you don't like too much of it, you can just add 2 pinches. And there you are, a quick sour milk salad which will rest in the fridge before serving. In fact, this goes very well with the biryani, your mutton curry, any meat curry, and if your curry is sort of very spicy, it can actually cool down your mouth.